Good afternoon, Mike Lingerfeld here. I ran across another interesting study that I wanted to bring to you. This study comes to us out of the Yale School of Medicine, and the study is they have identified neuronal bases of impaired consciousness in absence epilepsy. So for those of you who are familiar with absence epilepsy, it's the suspension of a person's consciousness for a few brief seconds, anywhere to 3 seconds on up to about 15 or 20 seconds, sometimes longer, where the person loses consciousness. Their senses are kind of suspended. They're unresponsive. So what they have found with this study is using rats known as GAERS, G-A-E-R-S, which stand for Genetic Absence Epilepsy Rats of Strasbourg. They studied behavior of these seizures using an auditory response as well as fMRI to map the brain activity, and they recorded the electrical signals with EEG as well as single neuron responses using multi-contact silicon probes. And so what they found in this study is that the response of the rats mimic very much the response that occur in children. So they have a suspension of their consciousness, and in this they found 4 different types of responses of neuronal activity during the seizure. And according to Dr. Hal Blumenfeld, defining 4 types of neuronal activity could result in more customized treatment for absence epilepsy, and perhaps more importantly, he says, the recording of these electrical brain signals from this study could in the future help epilepsy specialists prevent seizures in the first place and treat the patients before the seizures even onset. So it's a pretty exciting study. I will put the link in the description so that you can go and read that for yourself. I found it very interesting. I hope you do as well, and we'll talk to you soon.